My free Craftsman. I got it a couple years ago. I just discovered that the engine is frozen, and I have heard of a trick to take the spark plug out and PV blaster in the spark plug port and let it set overnight. Put a lot of it in. Be generous with it. It's a 6-speed, 42-inch cutting mower, but I removed that. It's not there anymore. The first thing I'm going to do is bypass the safety switch on the seat and take the battery out. But get right back with you. A 2mm socket on my wrench. I'm going to remove the bolts right here, these 2 bolts. You want to keep the springs and remove these little spacers right here off of the motor. You don't need them anymore. Did I just drop? Spring. I just lost my spring. Hold on. There it is. You want to put the springs back on. If I can. And you want to put this back on there as well. If I can do this. Okay. Got it. Then you want to put the bolts, the nuts back on. Finger tighten it first. And then you tighten them. Come on. It's easier said than done. Come on. It's not easy. There, I think I got it. Press that plate all the way back. As far as it goes. And simply just retighten. So you can't tighten anymore. That one's tight. Sorry this is taking so long, but it's the first time I ever done it, so you might bear with me. It's awful slippery over here too. I'm on ice. That's spruce. Had it going the wrong way. No wonder. Must have switched. It must have gone out of the direction or something. But I don't know how it happened, but that's not going back in. Yeah, we're getting it, I think. Come on. I don't know. I think I might have started the song wrong. It's not doing anything. Wait. Yeah, I got it. It's right there. Pull that out a little bit. Where's my screwdriver at? Yeah, put my screwdriver in there to hold it. Snot dripping down my nose. Yeah, I think I got it now. It's going a little hard. Probably should have put some of that WD-40 on it, or PP plaster I got. But I got it now. It's going to be a long video, I think. Yeah. Getting it. I don't think I need a screwdriver in there anymore. Why do they make these things so hard to work on? Plus the motor's frozen. I gotta spray some PV plaster and take the spark plug out. I'll show you that in a minute. It might be in a separate video, I don't know, I'm not sure yet. Tighten it all the way so you can't tighten it anymore. After I do this, I'm gonna pause the video and find the right tool for the battery. Take the battery out. I got terminal cleaner, and I've got, okay, that's out, that's done. Alright, I'm pausing the video. I'm gonna find the right wrench for the battery.